If you believe that most semi-integrated motorhomes offer the same experience with only minor cosmetic differences, the 2026 Ahorn TQ 740 is designed to prove you wrong. This model doesn't try to impress with flashy gimmicks or unnecessary tech. Instead, it focuses on fixing the small but important problems that owners usually discover only after months of real-world use. And that's exactly where this motorhome quietly stands apart. One of the most important changes for the 2026 model year isn't something you immediately notice from the outside. It's where the vehicle is built. Ahorn has shifted production to the Erwin-Hymer Group facilities, specifically the Laika plant in Italy. This move has a direct and noticeable effect on overall build quality. Panel gaps are tighter, furniture alignment feels more precise, and the general finish throughout the vehicle is more consistent. This isn't just about looks. You feel it when opening cabinets, closing doors, and driving over uneven roads. Everything feels more solid and better assembled. The TQ 740 is built on the latest Renault Master chassis, which is a practical and well-balanced platform for a motorhome of this size. The standard engine is a 130 horsepower diesel paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's tuned for smooth, relaxed cruising rather than sporty driving, which makes sense for long-distance touring. For buyers who prefer less effort behind the wheel, especially in city traffic or mountainous regions, Ahorn also offers a more powerful 170 horsepower engine combined with an automatic transmission. This option significantly reduces driver fatigue on longer journeys. In terms of dimensions, the TQ 740 measures approximately 748 centimeters in length, 232 centimeters in width, and 285 centimeters in height. Despite its size, it manages to feel approachable and well-proportioned, both on the road and when parked at campsites. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how open the living area feels. The face-to-face dinette layout creates a natural sense of space and encourages social interaction. Seating for up to 7 people is possible, which is quite rare in this category. The dining table is made from solid hardwood and can be folded or adjusted easily, making it suitable for meals, work, or casual lounging. Large side windows allow plenty of daylight to enter, and the interior color palette avoids dark tones that often make motorhomes feel smaller than they really are. The kitchen has clearly been designed with real use in mind. It features a 3-burner gas cooktop with proper spacing, so you can actually use more than one burner at a time. A large 141-liter refrigerator provides enough capacity for extended trips, and unlike many competitors, Ahorn includes an oven as standard rather than an expensive optional extra. Counter space is practical, drawers are deep, and storage is thoughtfully placed, making meal preparation comfortable rather than frustrating. The bathroom setup follows a clever split design. The shower is separated from the toilet and sink area, which makes everyday use much more convenient. When extra space is needed, a sliding door system allows the 2 sections to be combined into one large bathroom. This flexible design improves comfort without permanently sacrificing space. Ventilation is effective, and the materials used are durable and easy to clean, which matters during long trips. At the rear of the motorhome, the bedroom is one of the strongest features of the TQ 740. Instead of squeezing the bed against a wall, Ahorn installs a centrally positioned queen-size bed measuring roughly 148 by 198 centimeters. This allows easy access from both sides, eliminating one of the most common daily annoyances in motorhome living. Surrounding the bed are full-height wardrobes and overhead lockers, offering enough storage for extended travel without cluttering the space. Below the bedroom, the rear garage provides up to 150 kilograms of load capacity. This is genuinely usable storage rather than an afterthought. Bikes, camping furniture, and bulky equipment fit comfortably, and access is wide and practical. Inside the living area, Ahorn also includes hidden floor compartments and smart storage solutions that help keep everything organized and out of sight. As standard, the TQ 740 is configured for 2 people, which keeps the layout open and uncluttered. However, flexibility is built in. An optional electric drop-down bed above the dinette and a convertible seating area increase sleeping capacity to up to 5 people. This makes the motorhome suitable for couples, families, or occasional guests without forcing buyers into a permanent family-style layout. On the road, the TQ 740 feels stable, calm, and predictable. The Renault Master platform offers good visibility, a comfortable driving position, and confident handling. On highways, the motorhome remains composed, and in tighter spaces like campsites or town centers, it stays manageable despite its length. The first edition package highlights the value-focused approach of this model. It includes a factory-installed solar panel system for off-grid travel, an exterior awning that expands the living space outdoors, and a smart TV for entertainment. Instead of adding these features individually, Ahorn bundles them into a single, well-equipped package that makes sense for real-world use. Pricing for the 2026 Ahorn TQ 740 starts at around €64,600 including VAT, which is competitive considering the improved build quality and standard equipment. The first edition models displayed at trade shows were priced closer to €77,450, with a list price approaching €80,820. Given what's included and the quality improvements, the TQ 740 positions itself as strong value rather than a budget compromise. What truly sets the 2026 Ahorn TQ 740 apart is how it addresses everyday ownership frustrations. Bed accessibility, usable storage, seating comfort, kitchen functionality, and build consistency are all improved without making the design overly complex. It doesn't try to impress with unnecessary technology. Instead, it focuses on getting the basics right. That's why the 2026 Ahorn TQ 740 First Edition feels different. Not because it's the most luxurious or the most aggressive-looking motorhome, but because it's thoughtfully designed, well-built, and genuinely ready for long-term travel. If you've ever wondered what makes a semi-integrated motorhome actually stand out, this one offers a clear answer. If you like this RV, like and hit the subscribe button for more RV details, and I see you in next one.